Well, did I ever pick the wrong time to cycle through Riquewihr? Saturday afternoon, not a good idea. Alright, I'm en route to Haut-Koenigsbourg, so I'll talk to you along the way. Right. I just came from Riquewihr, where I've been staying for the last couple of days, and it's a fantastic 20 degrees or so today, so absolutely fantastic. I'm going to go up to Haut-Koenigsbourg, which is the most famous, I think, landmark in this region. A giant castle. I'll try to fill you up on details on the Haut-Koenigsbourg once I get there. And after that I'll be descending down the Rhine Valley over there through the vineyards back to Riquewihr. That's the plan. So let's see if we can make that happen. Unfortunately, it's Saturday afternoon, means that's very, very busy. So I was planning to go to Riquewihr, but you just saw that it's just absolutely crowded and not a good time actually to film. Ribeauville will probably be the same. I'll just give it a quick, well, go anyways. So yeah, let's go to Haut-Koenigsbourg and admire the view over there. All right, talk to you in a bit. Yeah, that's very crowded in Ribeauville. So next stop will be Haut-Koenigsbourg, and that's going to be a solid climb up to 650 meters, I think. So I'm now about 100 meters in altitude, but it's all good. What a lovely day. See you later. This vineyard goes back to the 8th century. How absolutely lovely these statues. Love the idea. Fantastic. Yay, brilliant idea. Right, okay, on y va. So that over there is Haut-Koenigsbourg, where I'll be heading, and then I will be going down the valley over there, 167 meters high. All right, I think we go up to 650 in 7k. That's doable. Route so far was okay, except for the company. Lots of flies or whatever they are. And this is going to be a hike bike. I hope it's not too long, because I still got 3k to go to the top. I'd rather not do it walking, but we'll soon find out. Oh wow, look at that. But that's still a bit of a climb. I can hear the road, so there should be a little path up there. Yep. I hope I can find it. Right. That's oh la la. It's hiker bike number 2 of the day. But it's a short one, I hope. Here we are, Haut-Koenigsbourg, the castle with a view. What a view. This is quiet. So this is nice. It's actually forbidden to ride or walk here. Could be breeding season, of course, but seemed like a permanent sign. But yeah, I can't see an alternative really to my route, so I'm just gonna go for it and hope that I can get away with it. Just wish me luck. There is a hanging bridge here, yeah, which is nice. It's not very stable. Lovely. Oop, a lot of mosquitoes here. Well, very strange. Doesn't really feel good to cycle here. I know it's forbidden, but really, it's either going back 5k and over more busy roads, which I really do not like. It is what it is. I just hope I can get through and not all the mosquitoes are eating me alive. Bonjour. This is going to be a bit adventurous and wobbly. Oh dear, let's see. Wobbly indeed. The dog is enjoying her time in the water. Good dog. Yeah. It's time for a little pause, I think. It's just there's so many mosquitoes around that I need to find another place, but well, we'll see. Alright, let's carry on. What a contrast to Haut-Koenigsbourg. Right, I am on some sort of track now. Excellent. I'm on the right track. I wanted to go to illhaeusern. There's a reason why I wanted to go to illhaeusern, and I'll tell you more when we get there. Oh, lovely here, except for the mosquitoes. But hey, let's move on. That's a nice dirt track, and way over there is Haut-Koenigsbourg, and somewhere down there is where I'm heading. Right, here we are, illhaeusern. I'm not sure if you can read the name of the street behind me. Well, it says Rue de Collonges au Mont d'Or, and that's very, very funny to me. I know there's a three Michelin star restaurant here, and they are associated to a very famous restaurant in Lyon. Well, I should of course say Collonges au Mont d'Or, and that was the restaurant that used to be owned by and run by Paul Bocuse, a rather famous chef, not only in France, I would think. And yeah, I think they've come up with some sort of partnership with that restaurant, and probably that's why they named this street Collonges au Mont d'Or. Love that. Fantastic name, of course. And see if we can find the other restaurant. I'm not quite I think it was Auberge de Lille, something like that. The Ile is the river that flows through this, well, village is called illhaeusern, so that makes sense. Let's see if we can find that their restaurant. All right. Auberge de Lille. Well, vegetarian option, 185 euros. 8 all-in menu, 210. Is that all? Not more expensive. Oh, this is going to be good though. Oh, yeah. That's even better. Yeah, that's what I mean. Collonges au Mont d'Or. 432 kilometers. That's about right. Now I'm dying for a cup of coffee, but I'm kind of betting that I wouldn't really approve of my attire today. Well, I'm kind of hungry now. Let's see if I can find a nice place for a picnic. Oh, that's the first for me. I had a, where's he gone now? Oh, a little stingy thing flying directly on my path, and ooh, that hurts. I hope it's not a frelon or something, because it is really stinging like hell. Not liking this one bit. Okay, let's see if we can survive. So that was an absolute outstanding day, and a bit of climbing, which was good for me because I'm trying to get fit for another project that's coming up in June. Fantastic day out in the vineyards and in the mountains. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, just give it some thumbs up and likes and all that. That seems to help. I don't know, I've never noticed, but you never know if you can fool the algorithms. As always, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there, and I'll see you in a next video. Cheers, bye bye.